Alright, so this morning I did the same as I did yesterday on the treadmill. 8 minutes at 3.1 miles per hour gave me 4.1 miles total, 32 calories. On the Gazelle, I cut it short 2 minutes from yesterday because my knees started bothering me. I forgot to take my vitamins the last couple days, and which includes my glucosamine tablets. So as soon as I rehydrate here and stuff, I'll be taking my vitamins again. You got to keep up on the stuff you do for your health, as far as your vitamins and minerals and supplements like that. It's easy to fall out of the habit. It's harder to maintain the habit. So yeah. Whew. So, for all of you out there that are even thinking about it and or actually doing it, growing an indoor garden, MI Gardener, most of their seed packets are $2 a packet, opposed to the $3.50, $4.50, $5, up at the Home Depot, Lowe's, the local nursery. And if you get 10 packets, which is $20, you get free shipping. Saves you $3.25 right there. So I ordered some stuff yesterday. I got some 2 different types of round cabbage coming, and I got some other things I'm going to try for the indoor garden here. Whew. So try planting a garden. It's not that hard. All right, stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Add a new skill. Learn how to do electrical wiring. Learn how to do some plumbing work. Learn how to change out the locks on your house and stuff. Learn a new skill. All right. Take care and get extra prep for this one.